Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Log into Hohohub, verify your email, and enable two-factor authentication for stability. Once done, assemble your raid party and make sure the leader has permission to create auto raids. This prevents stalls. Next, locate the target boss ID and generate or copy the raid link. This tells the system what to spawn. You do this now to avoid mid-process interruptions and to ensure the auto raid will execute with the correct parameters and participants. You now configure the auto raid. Open the auto raid panel and input the boss ID and desired difficulty so the system targets the right encounter. Then set timing options, spawn delay, raid duration, repeat count, and cooldown, because precise timing avoids conflicts and resource waste. After that, configure rewards and invite filters. Use role assignments to autofill tanks/healers so fights run smoothly. Make sure to save the profile. This prevents accidental resets when you start spawning raids. You launch the auto raid and immediately monitor the first spawn. Confirm party members join within the expected 60 to 120 seconds so the mechanic proceeds. If an error appears, pause and check logs for permission or connection issues, then adjust cooldowns, spawn timing, or role assignments to fix recurring failures. Once raids complete, stop or archive the session, export results, and distribute rewards automatically. If things go wrong, the key troubleshooting tip: check leader permissions and server connectivity first, then.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.